That would be nice.
What could be wrong now?
I have no idea.
Well, there's no escape! Hand it over now! You really don't want us to come after you! Give me the blue water or something terrible will happen to you! I'm not kidding! There's no use in hiding! Surrender to me! Samson, it's time we taught them a lesson!
Yes, ma'am. Hansen, look on target.
Stand by! Let's see. That should do the trick.
Sean, what'll we do?
We'll just fly away.
Huh?
Fire!
Whoa! It's time to go! Do you think this thing will really work?
Uncle and I were just waiting for the right time to try it out. What are they doing now? I don't know what you're doing, but you better stop! Why can't you give up like good little children?
All right. I am depending on you at Toit de la Sienne 8.
Did you build this machine to carry 2 people?
I hope so.
What do you think you're doing? Aren't you listening to me? I told you that you couldn't get away!
Take off!
What's wrong with it? Why aren't we flying?
We have to achieve maximum velocity before we can take off.
But what if we run out of road before that happens?
Don't worry. This road is more than long enough.
We're going to hit them!
Just a bit more.
Please stop that thing right where it is! If you keep coming, we'll have to blow you up! Why won't you listen to me?
Here we go. Let's blow them to bits.
Now fly!
Hey! I didn't tell you to do that! Oh, it flies! Yeah! Incredible! What amazing children! They certainly are clever. But now they're getting away! Hey, stop them!